The sober homes crackdown continues. This time, federal agents moved in to make multiple arrests.
News Channel 5 was the only television station there when the FBI raided what it calls a recovery residence in Lake Worth.
We started hearing banging on all of the doors, downstairs, upstairs.
For hours, FBI agents assisted by Palm Beach County Sheriff's deputies went through the building. They took out bags of evidence and questioned those who live there about the recovery industry.
It just wasn't a surprise. You know, my roommate said, hey, wake up. The feds are here. And I said, yeah, they are? Well, that's been a long time coming.
This group of opportunistic predators have capitalized on the reputation of South Florida to take advantage of the vulnerable population.
Those are strong words aimed at one of 6 people in custody, 46-year-old Kenneth Chatman. The FBI claims he intimidated patients, forced them to remain in his facilities, even recruiting female patients to engage in prostitution.
He's being held without bond tonight. Only on 5. News Channel 5's Michelle Casada has more now on Chatman and the effort to arrest him. Michelle?
Michael Kelly, this report from the Department of Justice claims Kenneth Chatman, who is listed as an administrator on the website for Reflections Treatment Center in Margate, threatened patients to make them stay in his treatment facilities so that he could continue, quote, fraudulently billing the insurance companies. People have been complaining about Chatman to the Florida Association of Recovery Residences for 3 years.
Charged with conspiracy to commit healthcare fraud, Kenneth Chatman of Boynton Beach is a well-known name in the sober home industry. John Lehman, the president of the Florida Association of Recovery Residences, has been receiving complaints about Chatman and his drug and alcohol addiction treatment centers for 3 years.
We had received a number of them that were related to Reflections in Margate, as well as sober homes that were allegedly operated by Kenneth Chatman. So we forwarded all that information as it was requested by those law enforcement agencies.
The Department of Justice arrested Chatman and 5 others, including doctors, owners, and employees of sober homes and treatment centers. There's a laundry list of accusations against them, including bribing patients to attend their drug treatment centers to bill their insurances, allowing many of the patients to continue using drugs. Chatman is accused of threatening patients to keep them from leaving the facilities, even recruiting women to engage in prostitution. Lehman says he received complaints that patients' belongings were taken away.
Their cell phones were being held hostage, and once a week they would be provided an opportunity to reach out to their family members while someone was watching over the conversation.
In July of 2015, a mother from New Jersey contacted News Channel 5 after her daughter went missing from a suburban West Palm Beach sober home. She had 2 contacts for her daughter, Kenneth Chatman and Francine Davis, both arrested by DOJ Thursday. Paula Reeve told me her daughter was a patient at Reflections Treatment Center in Margate. After I spoke with Chatman on the phone about airing a story on Lauren's disappearance, Chatman found Lauren less than 48 hours later. Paula told me the FBI interviewed her daughter last month for its investigation into Chatman. Lehman says the credible complaints against Chatman have come from former sober home residents, patients, former Reflections Treatment Center staff members, even a former business partner.
If convicted, Chatman could face a maximum 10-year prison sentence for conspiracy to commit healthcare fraud and 5 years for making a false statement related to a healthcare matter. Live in the newsroom, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.